Hello guys, I'm Zinaida. Today I will briefly explain how I benefited from birds watching free trip at Meru Forest. I had the chance to see different kind of birds like streak seed eater, black sowing, battery trogon, and many more. And I also had the chance to see a beautiful white slug. Slugs are hermaphrodites. It means they have both gender, male and female, as a reproductive part. And I was also surprised on how this species use a tiny hole on the right side of its body to breathe, which open and close every minute. It was an amazing experience to me because all I thought like slug, they have two lungs like any other animals, and I was totally wrong because it only has a single lung.